Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to preview new arrivals from Versace and Fendi. I had a good reaction from some of you when I included Fendi and YSL in the Chanel video. There was like a good response in the comments, and also I got messages as well like, hey, post other brands more. So more than happy to do that. I'm always looking at other maisons, like literally all the time. So I thought, why not combine two really cool Italian brands together? Of course, Versace, like one of my favorite brands. I love the brand so much. And Fendi, a brand which I like, and I'm learning more about them and I'm liking what I see. So let's of course start off with Versace, of course. Let's start off here with this new cardigan. This is part of the holiday collection. It's on the website, like in the holiday, like, actually wait, is this part of the holiday collection? No, this is part of the new arrivals for the brand, basically. So these are just new things that they have. This really lovely, super warm looking, chunky knit, long knit cardigan. This is going to be so wonderful for those of you in like cold countries. It just looks so warm and chunky and awesome. The price of this I think is good. It's $1,490 for a ready-to-wear piece. It looks really nice and warm and chunky. They're these Medusa 1995 slingback pumps. These are super cute. Love these as well. 750 euros. They come in black, pink, and also comes in a nude, like chocolate brown color. Really, really cute. I wanted to also show you these beautiful shoes. They're called the Gianni. They're called the Gianni, and they come in different like styles. There's like, I think they're like these court shoe style ones. I think they also have slingbacks. It's so cute. They have this little ribbon on them, which is like something from their archives that they have brought back. Normally I don't really care for when brands like bring things from archives all the time. Like, I'm not a huge fan of reissues, but Versace doesn't do it too much, and they have a huge archive that they haven't really gone that deep into their archive like other maisons have, and they don't rely on it as much as other brands do. So I think I'm okay seeing their reissue things. So I just wanted to show you the Gianni shoes because I think they're so cute, so beautiful and so cute. So I just had to show you those. They're these Crystal Medusa 1995 sandals, they call them, 750 euros. The heel is 115 millimeters, and the shoes I also showed you, the Medusa 1995 ones, those are also 115 millimeters as well. So they're quite high, but of course, I mean, they're stilettos, honey. Like, this is what Versace does so well, is stilettos. If you love stilettos, you're gonna love these. There's also this really cute pink canvas bag. It's the La Medusa canvas tote bag. I'm seeing more and more people unbox this style of bag online. People seem to like it. It's in canvas. It's 1,250. There's also a denim one, which is really, really popular. And I think it also comes in leather. I might have to double check that. But the denim one is very, very popular as well. So I'd love to know what you guys think about this one. I think it's just, yeah, so cute. Of course it's pink, so naturally I had to feature it because it's pink. I know you're like, you only care about it because it's pink and stuff. I love this because I think it's just so beautiful and feminine. There's this beautiful new bag called the Athena. It's called the Barocco Athena. Here it is in the large size. It's a tote bag. This is really beautiful. This is feminine, floral, gorgeous. Love this. This is part of the holiday collection for the Christmas period. Absolutely stunning and beautiful. Love this. 1,750 euros. Some of you were telling me that you think that this bag looks like the Dior book tote because it was also on the Spring Summer 2024 catwalk. I say, so what? So what? So what? Okay, that it looks like the Dior book tote. Who cares? Big Dior Bobo, she designed this. Dior put her wig on and designed this bag. But we all know who the queen of this style of bag is. That's right. This bag girl right here. That's right. Okay, but no one Bobo has a problem with the 3110, so I say the Athena stays. I think this is really cute, very chic and glamorous and cute, so I just had to show you that one as well. I've linked everything below on the websites. Oh my god, okay, so I want to show you, I think, my favorite piece out of all of these new arrivals, which is this wool, like acid green long coat. Oh my God, I think this is so beautiful, so gorgeous, so stunning. I love this. I just think everything about this is just gorgeous and beautiful. So I just had to show you this. I think this is such a beautiful pop of color for like the autumn winter period. Like, imagine like just wearing this and you live in a cold country. Most people would choose like a darker color for the autumn winter period. I feel like the acid green is such a cool pop of color, and the sort of like the neon vibes of this makes it a little bit surprising, because people will be wearing like black and gray and burgundy when it's like winter or autumn, whereas this is like acid green. This is gorgeous and beautiful. It's actually, how much is the price? I think it was like 2,800 euros, something like that. I'd love to know what you think about this bad girl as well. Love that coat. I think that coat, it's like just seeing the bright, like happy, cheerful color just makes me feel happy and cheerful. And I live in a hot country, even though we're going through our raining season right now. But I was like, oh my God, this is so gorgeous. Like, love it. Okay, now let's go through some of the new arrivals from Fendi. We did talk a little bit about some of the Fendi new arrivals. Now, I want to start off with something which isn't new. It's a permanent piece. It comes back every autumn, winter. This gorgeous, gorgeous coat in black. This coat absolutely eats as well. Something about Italian brands and their coats, I don't know what it is, but they just go there. It's beautiful. It's wool, and it has these mink fur applique pockets. Gorgeous, beautiful. It looks amazing on this model. She ate this look down. Love it. Just had to show you this one as well. It's 4,800 euros. So like I said, wool with mink fur applique pockets. There's this burgundy leather sequin bag, 3,800 euros. Of course, you know, big Fendi honey, and the sequin baguettes, they're always very popular. There's also a fuchsia sequin bag, 3,800, super cute as well. I think I want to see the baguettes like in person and stuff, and see the python ones. I saw a python one that I like the look of. I thought this was really nice as well. There's this peekaboo I see you in the petite size. It's pink in Napa leather, 3,400. By the way, great pricing from Fendi. I'm so used to seeing Chanel and Big H and frankly Big LV's pricing for their leather goods. I think that these prices are very, like, I feel like Fendi price competitively for a massive top tier brand. I think they price really well. Oh my God, this mink fur scarf, this color blocked one with the FF, is so cute. I think it has a wonderful hidden meaning, because you know the FF, like the first iteration of the meaning was fun fur, and now it could also technically mean Fendi first, but it really means fun fur. And it's a mink fur scarf, color blocked with saying FF on it, fun fur. Love this. I think this is a wonderful piece. I think if you're someone who loves the Fendi brand, this would be a great piece to have in like your Fendi archive. I absolutely love this. I think it's really beautiful. Love the color blocking. You could wear this with any coats from any other brands. It doesn't have to be a designer brand. Frankly, you could wear this with a coat from Zara. It will look good. It probably would even look better, frankly, if you wore it with like a coat that wasn't branded, like just a normal coat, in like a standard color or whatever. You could wear it with bright colors, you could wear it with black or gray or something. I think this is so cool. I wanted to show you this super beautiful Fendi Sunshine medium shopper. It's 2,400. Again, those Fendi prices, like I said, I'm new to the brand. I'm still learning about the brand. Like, I'm familiar with the brand's fur items because I like fur, obviously. You know, I like mink fur, I like fox fur. I've always been like upfront about that. But I'm still learning about like the other things that the brand does, like their clothing and swimwear and things like that, and their leather goods. I'm still learning. This is really, really cool. So I saw this and I was like, oh my God, I have to show you guys this. So 2,400. I love the price point of their items. The price point's really, really good. And then the final piece I want to show you is these domino biker boots. They're 1,100. These are just a lovely piece to have for the autumn winter period. I would love to know what you guys think about all of these new arrivals from Versace and Fendi. I think something which I want to share more often, and I mentioned this I think in one of my previous emails to email subscribers, by the way, go join my emails, link below. I mentioned that I think it's super important to try new things. I think sometimes I think we can sometimes kind of get set in our ways. You can believe that you can only like one thing. Like, I only like this, or I only like that. I'm a maximalist, okay? I'm wearing my Moschino shirt here for crying out loud. But I do love seeing minimalistic things as well. I like trying new things. I don't want to be put into a box. Like, I want to make sure that I'm always open-minded to other things. So I wanted to share Versace because I love the brand so much, and I feel like for some reason on YouTube, I just don't know why people don't like, people do talk about Versace, but like more people need to talk about the brand because I think it's just such an awesome brand with a phenomenal archive. I think if you're a fashion person, like very few people can say that they designed clothes for Princess Diana, but Versace can say that. Okay. Very few brands can say that, but big Versace can happily say that from the Atelier Versace arm. And Fendi as well. I just love that. I love brands that are very unapologetic. I love the whole like fur heritage thing. I think that's so cool. So yeah. Oh, and speaking of fur, I completely forgot. I wanted to show you this one statement fur piece. I just completely forgot. I didn't save it on my phone. This mink fur coat as well. This is a statement piece. I think this is like 40,000 euros. A massive statement. I think if you're someone who loves a statement, something like this would be amazing as well. So Versace is in their stealth wealth phase right now. And it's interesting to see a very flashy, vibrant brand go stealth wealth. It's actually very good for them because they're kind of pushing themselves to try something new. And I think also with Fendi, it's a similar thing. Great prices, great, beautiful exotics. I've already featured their exotics before. I'm on Instagram, so go follow me on there. But I also love like the clothing as well, and I love like that they are also trying new things too. So let me know what you think about all of the pieces mentioned, and I would love if you would like, let's play a little game. Well, it's not a game, more like a challenge, to kind of again inspire you to try something new. Out of all of the Versace pieces, pick one that was your favorite and leave a comment below and tell me what it is, and then leave what was your favorite piece from Big Fendi Honey as well, and leave a comment below. So say your favorite piece from Fendi that I mentioned and your favorite piece, and you have to choose one. Don't be like, oh, I don't know, I can't choose one. You have to choose one. So yeah, let me know what you think. I think like I love everything, but I think my favorites are probably the coats. I love that beautiful, vibrant acid green coat from Versace. Gorgeous, beautiful, and I love that beautiful coat as well from Big Fendi Honey with the mink fur appliques. I think it's so stunning, and I also think that full mink pelt coat is a huge iconic statement. I mean, it's going to keep you very warm, but wow, what a statement. And I think fashion being about statements is so like inspiring to me, and it makes me feel like inspired and excited. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about everything. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about today's video where we combine Versace and Fendi new arrivals. Let me know if you'd like to see another one. I could do another one next month. Maybe I could do one a month where we do Fendi and Versace together, just so that we can see the things that they're doing. Let me know what your favorites are between, like, from, not in competition. Pick one from Versace and pick one from Fendi. That way we can do new things. And I don't want anyone saying anything about the Athena looking like the book tote boo when I already gave you the example in the video about the 30 Montaigne trying to come up to the Dauphine, honey, okay? So let me know what you think about everything. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'm also on Facebook. Go join the group. It's linked below. And go join my newsletter as well. And also I'm on TikTok. I'm everywhere you are, so go find me on your favorite platforms. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the weekend in my next video.